Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect a USB drive to a Mac device. Now, I have a USB drive connected to this Mac device and I already opened Finder here. But as you can see, there's nothing showing here that's referencing a USB. Now, usually you should have an option or you should have a section for locations on the sidebar, but I'm not seeing it. Also on the desktop, sometimes if you have it set up to show external drives on the desktop, it should show the USB drive on your desktop, but I'm not seeing anything. So let's go to the settings for Finder. If you go to Finder and then settings, under general, this is the option I was referring to. If you have this option for external disks checked to show on your desktop, you'll see that now the USB drive, this is the USB drive, it's showing on my desktop. But if I close this, again, I'm not seeing anything on my sidebar here. Let's go back to Finder, settings, and under sidebar here, down here there's locations. Right now it's only showing what we have checked, cloud storage, but it's not showing anything related to the external disks or the hard disks. So you can check whatever options you want to show here. If I select this 3 for instance, now if I come back on Finder, you'll see that I have locations, and then I have here, this is the disk, this is my main or primary disk, and then this is the USB drive, and it's also showing here, and it's showing the contents of it. Here, if I click on it, I'll see the contents as well. So that's all for this video. I just wanted to show how you can actually access the contents of a USB drive on your Mac device. So in some cases, you might find that those settings are not checked by default for Finder. You might need to go in and enable them in order for you to see your USB drive. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.